Hello everyone, and welcome to the next episode of Sniffle Souls. I got very close then to the microphone. I hope that sounded amazing. Probably didn't. Can I level up? No, I can't. I'll admit, it's been a little while since I've recorded one of these, and unfortunately I may have to get this one to be a bit short because I'm kind of a bit stuck for time. I'm going to shut my door real quick and kaput. That is professionalism. So, Dark Souls 3 is out. I'm so upset I can't play it. Just so upset. But there is also the minor factor of reminding me of this. Was a YouTuber's playthrough I was watching, and it reminded me that originating in Ciel, and reminded me how I got to it before. So I tested my theory before, well, whilst they were doing it, but I managed to do it faster. Haha. Anyway, yeah, I tested my theory, and what I did right is I made it to Ciel, and on a different character, and ooh. Oh my, that didn't go well. I mean, I still want to go to the painted world of Aramis, but I don't know where the peculiar doll is. I mean, I could look it up, I suppose. But no. No. I think we shall be fine without looking it up. So, due to the fact that I'm kind of in a bit of a pickle today with timing, because if I don't record this now, then it won't be uploaded, and that is bad. It's very bad, and I don't want to have another thing where it's problematic and can't do a thing, but I also need to record a nostalgia vlog, and get that scheduled for uploading as well, and I need to have one of these for Friday and all, rather than Thursday, which is when this one shall be going up. I'm not going to tell you if I'm recording this like how much earlier. I'm obviously not recording it on the day because it takes more than half an hour for my videos to go up, and it should hopefully end up going up at 0:30 on that day. But actually, I'm actually going to check see if we do have the strange doll, peculiar doll, whatever it is. But yeah, anyway, because I am a bit stressed time-wise, I've decided that I'm probably going to have to shut this video down fairly speedily, probably. No, I don't have it. So, just going to be running, and running, and running. And yeah, and talking. Obviously, it's what game commentary videos are, commentating the game. And so here we are jumping off a cliff, and he's got a sword, and he's, oh my god, I'm surprised he hasn't stabbed himself, and that sword probably would have just cut his own neck, but it didn't. Oh my god, what is this game? Anyway, Dark Souls 3. Oh, I am so upset I can't play that. That game looks ace. Like, ace as in better than Ace from One Piece. And anyone who knows One Piece knows that you don't get much better than Ace. I mean, apparently Akainu, I believe it was Akainu, was better than Ace, but that's just a bit of, you know, he's more experienced, and he's got the slightly more legendary of the devil fruit. Anyway, cool. I'd forgotten that we'd killed the Hydra on this guy. Haha, well. Whee! Roll! I can't bother to change my rings, even though it would actually make it faster. It's just so much harder. Ooh. Here we go. Roll. Oh, that just reminded me of the Family Guy thing. It's where Peter's had a stroke and he crashes his car, and then there's the rowing team go past, and the dude's like, stroke, because, you know, when you row, you do strokes. Yeah. Look, Look what I found. But, hang on. Did I do this wrong? Have I rescued Dusk from the golden golem? I thought that you... Hang on, she gives you a soapstone. I think. No, I don't... Oh my. Have I not rescued Dusk? Look at it. It's looking at you, no matter where you are. Hello. What would a swirling black abyss sort of thing be doing here? Huh? Yeah, I'll just touch it. That seems like a good idea. Oh my god, it's a hand with teeth like eyes or whatever it is on it. Oh, it's got me. It's got me. Oh, ooh. Thrashed about a bit there. And poof, here we are. In the sanctuary garden. Just saying, I would love to have a place like this. Just like an underground hollow. With like the roots and shizzles, shebangs, dotted about. Right, now I know which boss is coming up here. But other than that, I don't really know anything about Ciel. So this is a blind part of my playthrough, surprisingly. What am I doing? I meant to do this. No, I didn't. I meant to do this. Yes. I believe I'll need these. Lightnings. Smouse 59. How? Ooh. Are we gonna tubby it? Right. If I got rid of them, can I? How's the roll? It's gonna be bad, isn't it? Oh, it's not bad. It's not fast rolling though. Is that? Still not, but it's slightly better. Let's do this. I don't know whether this is actually better or not, but it looks hilarious. So let's do it. So this is our enemy. We do a fairly good amount of damage. I think the last one I did this on was like pure strength, so they did more damage, but they also took a lot more damage, had less health. Don't think I actually was wearing any armor or anything. Thanks for the tail, bro. Whee! Just saying, the tail's a really cool weapon. And I am quite dehydrogenated, which is my word for dehydrated. So I have a little cup in front of me with water in it to drink. I wonder what I've got for tea today. Mum's told me. Because my mama cooks my tea still. But at least most of the time. She doesn't tend to do it on weekends, including the Friday. But, you know, weekdays, more often than not, she'll cook my tea for me. Because I live at home. Which is why I have to be quick with this. Which is why I didn't, really heal, but now I kind of need to. Oh no you don't. Wee! 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 Heal up again? Oh no, that was bad. That was very bad. Where is it? Fudge. Slice. Oh man, he donkeyed me. Drink up. I probably need to drink another one, to be honest. Ah, that was not good. In fact, I would go as far as to say that was probably quite bad for me. Oh my god! Cease your onslaught! Fool! Just do the wind thing. Do the wind thing. No, not the more lightnings. I said the wind thing. Do you not know what... This thing. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, I thought I'd got out of the way of that. Oh well. It doesn't really do much damage. Strafe. Strafe. Oh, it broke the target lock. That sucks. Strafe. Strafe, kind of. And die! I did it, guys. One-shot Sanctuary Guardian. Promise it didn't take me, like, 8 attempts on my other character. Promise. I didn't have my fingers crossed. What are you talking about? You be chatting bare bull, man. Bare bull, if you accuse me of having my fingers crossed or anything like that. Dun 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 dun. So we could light this here on fire, but nah, I don't think I will. I think I'm just going to keep going now. I'm going to go talk over here to this mushroom with eyes.
Well, from what faraway age hast thou come? Thy scent is very human indeed,
It's a mushroom
but not intolerant.
with eyes that can speak.
The prince snatched away.
But I don't think it's actually a mushroom. I'm not sure.
Thank you.
But if you have a look here, they have chameleon, so I think that it's someone pretending to be a thing. Oh, I didn't know repair was a spell they sold. That's pretty cool, I'll admit. Hidden body, wait, what? Ooh, that's pretty cool. Nice. Is that... I don't use magic on this one, do I? Bye, mushroom lady. Right. Gotta get our fashion souls going real quick. After resting here, just to make sure it's a warp location, because I think that's the one you can warp to. And then I'm gonna have to call it, because I don't like being a smell. No offense to him. It's just not my kind of, you know, it's not my deal. Not my dealio. My wheelie dealio. I realise this is the long way now, but oh well. There we go, back to normal. Still not the best roll, but oh well. As I said, I'm going to have to keep it short. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments whether you think this mushroom lady here, whether she is a mushroom or not, because there are these mushrooms next to her, and there's no evidence of her not being a mushroom that I know of. But why would there be a talking mushroom? I mean, this is Dark Souls, so there might be a talking mushroom. But it just doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, your name's been whatever the hell you are. I'd like to again thank you for watching. Ooh, there's a drop. Humani, love it. And I will see you guys. Maybe at some point, depending on who watches this. But you will see this character, Reeve in the next Sniffle Souls. Catch you cats on the flip-flop. A goodbye.